ያለች ማለት ወደ ፖለቲካ አዙራብኝ ነው። ቢሃይንድ ስቶሪ ምንድነው? ከኋላዋ የደበቀችው የፖለቲካ ነገር አለ እንጂ የቦይፍሬንድ ጉዳይ አይደለም። እና እናንተ እናት ስለሆነች ብቻ ትክክል ናት ትላላችሁ። ግን አንድ ሰው እናት ሆነ አባት ሆነ ማንም ሆነ ትክክል ካልሆነ ትክክል አይደለህም ነው መባል ያለበት። እናት ስለሆነች ብቻ በደፈናው ትክክል ናት ማለት የለባችሁም። ፌር
Yeah, no, like also I want for everyone to like understand that I'm 20, like any like lig idol, and like I'm of course like Benat, okay, it's always your child, but guys, I am Feringe, oh my gosh, I am like Astar Simmons Bola, like Lijoch, like Sera Ali, like, you know, like they have their own lives. That's the thing. Like even my mom, she left like Astar Sabat. She left earlier than me.
She left her family when she was 17.
Not left like not in a bad way, but I'm saying she started her own life when like Astar Sabat ball. Any hiring. I respect my mom truly, but I feel like that's the thing about me. I know like whom Habesha Sowich, like at the end of the day, like parents are parents and nobody wants to like tell them, oh, this is what I want to do. But me, I'm not afraid of like telling my mom that I want to have my own life. I'm not afraid of doing that. So I'm just saying, like, it's not that serious. Like, relationship wise, it's not that serious. Okay, I have a boyfriend. Every person, like, what person doesn't go out and find love themselves? What person? You know, everyone has the right. If I was a child, I would understand.
Everyone has the right to choose whatever he wants.
Yes, if any like listening, I would understand. Okay, my mom, she's protecting me. This, but I feel like I have to learn myself. Like, even if it's the wrong thing, even if this guy is gonna leave me in 2 years, why can't I find that out myself? Why do I have to have people tell me not to learn my mistakes? You know?
Yeah, I understand. ሚቴል ደም ያልሽው መጀመሪያ ልታርጉምላቸው እንትን እኔ 20 ዓመቴ ነው። ትልቅ ነኝ። እኔ ፈረንጅ ነኝ። እኛ እዚህ አሜሪካ እኔ የምኖርበት ሀገር 18 ዓመት ከሞላው በኋላ አንድ ሰው ከቤት ወጥቶ ይሰራል፣ የፈለገውን ህይወት ይኖራል። እናቴ እንኳን በ17 ዓመቷ ነው ከቤተሰቦቿ ጋር በጥሩ ሁኔታ በመጥፎ ተጣልታ ምናምን ሳይሆን በጥሩ ሁኔታ የወጣችው። እና እኔ ትልቅ እኮ ነኝ። እኔ እኮ 21 ዓመት ሊሆነኝ ነው አሁን። እና ለምን የራሴን ህይወት የመኖር መብት አይኖረኝም? ለምን እንደማንኛውም ሰው የፈለኩትን መርጬ መኖር አልችልም? ስህተትም ከሆነ ለምን አልሞክርም? ሞክሬ ተሳስቼ ከስህተቴ ለምን አልማርም? ለምን እንድሳሳት አይፈቀድልኝም? ኖ በያታቡኔ ለምን ይሄማ ባገነንነት ነው። እንዴት ሆናታለሁ?
No, but anyways, the main point of it is like everyone is just saying my mom is protecting me, but I feel like from the beginning, like I just wanted peace between both of them. Like that's all I want. From now on, like I want my mom and Alex to be in peace. That's all I want. Whether it's politics, whether it's like I'm still young and things like that, why can't they talk to each other like in private? My mom came to social media first. That's I don't care what anybody says. Everyone says that, oh, I put my mom on live. Guys, my mom told me to go live and I was put in a situation where everyone just saw it and now everyone's fighting with each other. My mom came to social media first. That's that.
Did you know that, guys? Her mom, she came first. እናቴ ናት መጀመሪያ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ መጥታ ጉዳዩን የተናገረችው። እኔ አይደለሁም። አብዛኞቻችሁ እየፈረዳችሁብኝ ነው። እናትሽን ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ አመጣሽ እያላችሁኝ ነው። እኔ ግን አይደለሁም ያመጣኋት። እናቴ ናት ቀድማ የመጣችው።
Oh, Eswa, guys, Eswa Masrat, like honest fake account, just Sidib Alex Betaseb. It's my mom. She, like, I understand from my mom's side. I understand she's trying to protect me, but in she reported him to the embassy, and she made like so much accounts. She sent people to bully me on the internet. She did all of these things, and that's why now I'm on live explaining myself. So yeah, that's that. So
ሌሎችን የምትመክሪውን ለምን እሷን አትመክሪያትም? ኦኬ ሌሎችን የምመክራቸው ከማያከብራችሁ ከማይወዳችሁ ከእናንተ ገንዘብ ከሚፈልግ ወንድ ጋር አትሁኑ ነው የምለው። ስለዚህ እሷን ልጠይቃት፣ ያከብርሻል ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ልጠይቃት። እንደዛ ከሆነ አይሆንሽም ብዬ
guys, I have a cross around my neck. When I tell you guys,
did you ever give money to Alex? Did you ever give money to Alex? You sent him money?
Well, one time I gifted him, but that was like my decision. But he doesn't have any control of my money. He does not have any control of anything. Like I do all my stuff myself. So yeah, but
ገንዘብ ሰጥቻለሁ፣ ጊፍት ሰጥቻለሁ አውቃለሁ እንጂ ገንዘቤን እኔ ነኝ የሚይዘው። እሱ ስለኔ ገንዘብ አይመለከተው።
Yeah, but anyways, I just want my mom, whatever people don't believe me, they don't, that's not my problem, but, like, now I just want peace between both of them, and I know, like, she's posting things and things like that. I just want her to be in peace with him, that's all I want. I'm not asking for anything more, that's all.
ምፈልገው እናቴና አሌክስ ሰላም እንዲሆኑ እንዲታረቁልኝ ብቻ ነው ምፈልገው። እኔ ሌላ ምንም አልፈልግም። እና ይሄንን ተባበሩኝ የኢትዮጵያ ሕዝቦች፣ አሌክስንና እናቴን አስታርቁልኝ። ይሄንን ነው ምፈልገው ነው እያለች ያለችው። all I want is Alex and my mom to be peace, right? That's what
that's all. That's all. That's literally all I want. I don't know. Everyone's fighting. I don't like. It's too stressful. Seriously.
ያ እሷ በጣም ስትረስፉል ሆኛለሁ። እኔ በጣም እየተጨነኩ ነው። በመሀል ቤት እሷ በጣም እየተጨነቀች ነው። እናቷና ፍቅረኛዋ ሰላም ስላልሆኑ እሷ ሰላም አይደለችም። ኦኬ ሌላው ደግሞ በደፈናው ልጅ ስለሆነች ብቻ የምትፈርዱባትን ነገር ጥሩ አይደለም። መፍረድ በአጠቃላይ ጥሩ አይደለም። አትፍረዱባት። ማናችንም በሷ እድሜ ያልፈናል። ፋየር ኤጅ ነው ያለችው፣ እድሜዋ ነው፣ ፍቅረኛ አላት፣ ሶ ቤተሰብ ነው አለ ኦኬ ኖርማል ነው። ይሄ በሁላችንም ዘንድ የምናልፈው ነገር ነው። ያልፋል፣ ይሄም ጊዜ ያልፋል። ኦኬ ሶ እቺ ልጅ ነገ የሆነ ነገር ብትሆን በስትረስ ጭንቅላቷ ቢታመም የሆነ ነገር ብትሆን እኛው ነን የምናዝነው። ዜጋችን ኢትዮጵያዊ እህታችን ናት፣ ልናዝንላት ይገባል። ሶ አሁን ማድረግ ያለብን አንድና አንድ እናትና ልጅን ማስታረቅ፣ አሌክስና እናትን ማስታረቅ። Only that you want?
Yeah, I mean, like, what else is there to say? Like, literally, nothing else. Like, I don't know. I feel like there's so much lies. Like, see, again, if I try to see something, everyone's gonna say, no, still, she's your mom, this, like, no matter, even if my mom did wrong things.
One second, what you said, Maraja, እናቷ አርጋለች ሚሉትን ምንድነው? እናቷ አርጋለች ምንም እናቴ ምንም አርጋለች ያለችው ነገር የለም። እናቴ ናት ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣችው። ለዛ ነው መረጃ የምጠይቃት። ለዛ እናትየው ስትመጣ እኔ አይደለሁም ቀድሜ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣሁት፣ ዴዚ ናት ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ወጣችሁ ካለች at that time እኔ ዴዚን I need proof ላታለሁኝ። ኦኬ ሶ ይታረቃሉ። ሰይጣን ያፍራል። እነሱ እናትና ልጅ ይታረቁና ሰይጣን ያፍራል። ይታረቃሉ፣ ሁላቸውም ይታረቃሉ፣ ይስማማሉ።
Yeah, and also, Habiba, also, like, people kept saying, like, oh, I called the police on my mom, things like that. Guys, she stole my passport. So as an American, like, Asra Simmons Boala, like, you cannot have your children's, you cannot control them. That's it. Like, there's Hulet mindset, Habesha mindset, get any Gamashnechning. I'm not scared to tell my mom that she's in the wrong. That's the difference with me. I'm not scared. So, the only reason I wanted to get
the one raised you like this to be strong. That's good. That's why I'm scared to tell your mom she's wrong. It's okay.
Exactly.
Even our moms, they make mistake. They are human. They can make mistake. Mom is not God. She's not perfect. she can make mistake, no problem. When my mom she make mistake, I can tell her, mommy, this is wrong.
Yes. Yeah.
She cannot be perfect only because she's a mother.
Exactly.
And the other thing, when I remember, I will tell you.
Yeah, but yeah.
Okay, now the other, yes, don't listen anybody when they told you call police to your mother. That is very bad. Don't listen to them.
Yeah, and also I see comments saying that like I'm in her house. Guys, I left her house. I left her household. I am starting my own life here. She followed me to this state. She came back this time to steal my passport. She is the one following me. I'm not in her care anymore, guys. I'm not. So me trying to start my own life, she's the one trying to follow me. It's not me. It's not me at all. So stop saying that.
Hello.
People.
Don't listen negative.
Okay. Hello. Ada shoot good. Gawin mai tugli anin tugli. Namenta. Ashrami tugli. Dawin nazil taat. Bukra tugli. Gunti sa. Bukra tiada tugli. La. Bukra wahadi tugli kana tak tugli tugli. Double. Tugum bukra wahadi tugli kana tak tugli. Okay. Dalam salam.
እና ተይ ለምን ላታለው ከመሬት ተነስቼ ከምን አንጻር ተይ ልበላት ከምን አንጻር ከምን ገንዘቧን ነው የሚፈልገው ካላችሁ እሺ ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ጠየቅኳት ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ጠየቅኳት አይደል አልሰጠሁምትም ገንዘብ አለች
አይ ችግር የለውም እንፈታዋለን ትርጓሜን እኔ ተረጉምልሻለሁ እንዳያስወጡኝ ሞዴሬተር ወይ ስጭኝ ወይ ምናምን ነገር አንቺ አውሪ እናንተ አውሩ እኔ ኒውትራል በሆነ ነገር ተረጉምልሻለሁ ችግር የለውም ሃይ ዴዚ
እሺ እንደዚህ በይልኝ የማንንም ኔጌቲቭ እናትሽ ላይ ፖሊስ ጥሪ እናትሽን እንዲያርጊ እያሉ የሚመክሩሽን ኔጌቲቭ ሰዎች አትስሚ አንቺና እናትሽ ታርቃችሁ ነገ እነሱ መሀል እናትሽ ናት አትቆራረጡም በይልኝ
Okay, Daisy, Habiba say that don't listen to anybody who tells you call police on your mom, do this, do that. Everybody will be behind you and your mom. Always gonna be together. So please do not. And I want to add too. It's like I know you're American, but it's not Ethiopian culture too. So
I'm Nech.
yeah, I understand. I understand, but basically what she's saying is try to solve the problem without involving a police. Because once you involve a police, you know, it's not good for your mom to.
You need passport. I mean, what do I do? What am I supposed to do with this?
If your passport left, you don't have the passport, you can go to.
Apply a new passport, no problem.
You can apply.
Oh, I'm doing that.
Yeah, even
No,
like.
but at the end of the day,
You
I
want
know,
to
but
be fine with your mom, right? You want to be.
I want to say one thing. I never called the police on my mom. I was going to, but I did not. Out of
Good job.
respect for her, I did not.
Good job.
I swear to God, I did not. So everybody can stop saying that I called the police on her. Yes, I was live. I said, "Oh, I'm gonna call the police," but that was just my feelings and my reaction. But at the end of the day, I did not call them.
That's
So
good.
that's it.
ጉድ ገር
That's-
ይህንን ባለማድረግሽ ነገ ብታደርጊው ኖሮ በንዴት ሰዓት ብታደርጊው ኖሮ ትጸጸቺ ነበር በይልኝ።
Okay. Habiba said that if you had called the police on your mom, regardless of how upset you were, that you would have regretted as you get older because, like, you know, we all are on your age. I'm older than you for sure. But she said that calling a police, now you emotionally call the police, they're going to put a record on her, you know, her social security number. So that would be very bad for your mom.
Yeah.
She might not even get a retirement, you know?
Yeah, that's why I didn't call them.
So Habiba say, thank you so much for doing that.
Yeah.
ስለዚህ አሁን እንዲህ በይልኝ ሌላ የምትፈልጊው ከእናትሽ ጋር ከመታረቅና እናትሽንና አሌክስን ከማስታረቅ ውጪ የምትፈልጊው ነገር አለ ወይ እንድንሰማሽ የምትፈልጊው
Okay.
ነገር አለ ወይ?
All right. So Daisy, Habiba say that is there anything else that you need to let the Ethiopia people, the Habesha people, the Eritrea people that support you, you know, that really push for you? That it's not only Ethiopian, all Habesha. I see you sometimes. We all were very disturbed by your situation. She's saying that is there anything else besides having a peace with your mom and Alex and your mom? Is there anything else you want to let us know? Especially Habiba, she really want to help you, so just let her know.
Yeah, so like also I want people to know like I didn't leave just because of a guy. I did not leave just because of a guy. Like at the end of the day, unless anybody has lived in a toxic household, physical and mental abuse, like I don't want to hear anyone's opinion about why I left, because if you guys were never in a toxic household, like you guys would never understand why someone would leave. Like why did I wait 20 years? Okay, like some people don't leave until they're ready, by the way. Like it was not just because of a guy. I left because I was mentally disturbed by everything going on, and that's my right as a 20-year-old. I can move out, I can start my own life, I can start working, I can do all of that if I want to. So that's that. And as of my mom coming on social media, my mom came on social media first. It was not me. She made fake accounts. She's sending people to bully me. She's telling people I take medication. She's telling people I send like Balagay photos. She is saying all of this stuff about me, so I'm doing nothing but trying to explain myself. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me translate this and then you'll add more, okay? So that way, you know, they have a clear understanding. She's saying that Habiba, የምትለው ምንድን ነው?
እኔ እኮ ማድረሴን ስሜቴን መግለጽ ማድረሱ ነው እንጂ የከበደኝ እሷ ሙሉ የተናገረችው ገብቶኛል።
አሁን ምን ታደርጊያለሽ መሰለሽ አንቺ ከገባሽ እያስተረጎምሽ እኔ ጥያቄ ብቻ ነው የምጠይቀው መሀላችሁ አልገባም።
ጥሩ እኮ ይኸውላችሁ እኔ ቤት የለቀኩበት ምክንያት ምንም ሆነ አይደለም፣ ለቦይ ፍሬንድ ብላ አይደለም፣ ለራሷ ሰላም ፈልጋ ትልቅ ስለሆነች ስራ ከቤት ወጣ የመኖር የመስራት መብት ስላላት 21 አመቷ ነው፣ ትልቅ ናት። ለዛ ከቤት ወጥቼ መኖር ስለምፈልግ እንጂ ለቦይ ፍሬንድ ብዬ አይደለም ከቤት የወጣሁት። ደግሞ መብትም አላት። ማንምም ከእናቷ ውጪ ለምን ትወጫለሽ የመጠየቅ መብት የለውም። መብት አላት። 20 ዓመቷ ነው። ከቤት ወጥታ ተከራይታ እየሰራች የመኖር መብት አላት። አንድ ሰው አሜሪካን ሀገር 18 ዓመት ከሞላው በኋላ ከቤት ወጥቶ የመስራት መብት አለው። እቺ ልጅ የወጣሁት ለቦይፍሬንድ ብዬ አይደለም፣ ራሴ ፈልጌ ነው፣ ራሴን መቻል ፈልጌ ነው የወጣሁትኝ አለች። እና ቀድማም ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣችው እናቴ ናት፣ እኔ አይደለሁም። ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ወጥታ የተናገረችው እናቴ ናት። ስለዚህ በቃ ይሄ ነው ያለው ነገር። ሌላ ምንም ስለ እናቷ የተናገረችው መጥፎ ነገር የለም። እናቴ እንዲያረገችኝ አላለችም። ጀስት 20 ዓመቴ ነው፣ ትልቅ ነኝ፣ ወጥቼ መኖር እችላለሁ። ይሄ ደግሞ መብቷ ነው፣ ዓለም ያወቀው መብቷ ነው። ሁለተኛ ልጁ አይወድሽም በያት፣ ልጁን ተይ በያት የምትሉኝ ኮመንት ላይ እኔ ፈጣሪ ነኝ ወይ? ልጁ ይወዳታል አይወዳትም እንዴት ማወቅ እችላለሁ? ይሄን ማወቅ የሚችለው እኮ አንድ አምላክ ብቻ ነው። እኛ ካልኖርን እንዴት ነው? አንድ ሰው ካልሞከረ እንዴት ነው የሚያውቀው? ቆይ እቺ ልጁ እንደማይወዳት ንገሪያት ስትሉኝ ከምን አንፃር ልንገራት? አይወድሽም ብዬ እንዴት ልበላት? በምን አይቼ? በህልሜ አይቻለሁ። እኔ መልአክ ነኝ፣ ራእይ አይቻለሁ፣ ህልም አይቻለሁ። ስለዚህ አይወድሽም ነው ምላት? እንዴት ነው አይወድሽም ይቅርብሽ ብላት? ማንኝ እኔ በሷ ህይወት ገብቼ ይሄ አይሆነሽም ተይ ምላት? ማንም እኮ በማንም ህይወት ማዘዝ እኮ አይችልም። ፈረንጅ ነኝ አለቻችሁ እኮ፣ ነጭ ነኝ እኔ። እኛ ሀበሻነታችን ይዞን በሰው ህይወት በጣም ጣልቃ ስለምንገባ እኮ ነው። ሁላችንም አይሆንሽም በሏት፣ ኖ በያት፣ ሀቢባ አይሆንሽም በያት።
Yeah, and also like I feel like my mom coming on social media, like she made Alex look like such a terrible person, and I have reasoning for the way I left the household, but I feel like my mom, she based like Metro percent, she said, okay, Alex, no, this. Dylan, guys, my mom, like when I was doing social media in Ethiopia, there would be so many times that I cried to her and I tell her like, okay, I'm mentally tired from all of these things. She ignored that and she told me, no, you know, Sarah, no, do this. So I did not leave for a guy. Alex is not a bad person. People were saying like, oh, he wants to go to America, he's using you. This, first of all, I want people to stop bringing up the past. Like, okay, he's said some things on social media, I have too. Like, I've told people that I didn't like him before, stuff like that. And by the way, guys, Alex does not want to come to America. He wants to stay in Switzerland. By the way, America is not the perfect country. It's not. Every country has its struggles. America, what does America have? They go to work, people work 3 jobs, people struggle here. America is not like a dream place. Actually, in my opinion, Switzerland is better than America. So I want everyone to stop telling me like, oh, Alex, he's doing this for you, he's pretending for you, this. What do you guys know about him at the end of the day? What? Nothing. You guys know nothing. You guys know at the end of the day, you guys know nothing about how I was treated in my household. You know nothing about how my mom is. Yes, and that's again, like Habiba said, we should judge. Only God is gonna judge. That's all. Just because someone is your mom, just because someone is your dad, just because someone's your brother, does not mean okay their mind is perfect and they know what's best for you. God knows what's best. So please stop.
Okay. ሀቢባ ሰጥሻት አይደል?
ያ አሁን ትንሽ ከበድ ያለ ነው። አንቺ ተርጉሚ።
ኦኬ ኮሜንት ላይ ኦልሶ ሚሲ ምን ማለት ነው ቶክሲክ ሪሌሽንሺፕ ማለት ምናምን እያሉ ነው። በጣም ብዙ ኮሜንት አለ። let me see if I can get back to toxic what did you say Daisy? Toxic and what?
Toxic household.
Okay, toxic household basically means like in America people like ቤተሰብሽ አይመቱሽም ምናምን ግን ቨርባሊ ማለት በአፋቸው ዲሞራላይዝ ያደርጉሻል፣ መጥፎ ነገር ይናገሩሻል። እና አሜሪካን ሀገር ልጆች ሲያድጉ ብዙ ጊዜ ከውጭ ልጆች ከሌሎች ጋር ኮምፔር ስለሚያደርጉ ራሳቸውና ኤንቫይሮንመንቱ የተለየ ስለሆነ ከኢትዮጵያ አንቺ ላይክ እንደ ኢትዮጵያ ላሳድጋት ካልሽ ልጅን ላይክ it's gonna be hard ገባሽ? እና ቶክሲክ ማለት ቨርባሊ አቢዩዝ የሚደረጉ ልጆች እንዴት ነው አንቺ በሞራል ወይ
በንግግር ብቻ ቨርባሊ በንግግር ብቻ ሞራላቸው የሚነካ
like እንደ domestic abuse you know domestic abuse like ወንድ ልጅ ሴትን ወይም ሴት ልጅ ወንድ ልጅን አብረው ሲኖሩ abuse እንደሚደራረጉት it's the same thing with children. There is in that kind of situation I don't know if that is applied here እሷ ላይ አፕላይ ይሁን አይሁን አናውቀውም። እንደዚህ ያው ልጅ ስለሆነች ተናዳ ምናምን ሊሆን ይችላል። እናቷን ያው ማክበር አለባት። ግን እንደዛ ነው ትርጓሜው። በቃ እንደ ደግሞ እስቲ ከአቢዩዝ ላይክ ዩ ኖ ሪሌሽንሺፕ ባልና ሚስት ሲጣሉ አይነት አይደለም። አይመታትም ወይም አትመታውም፣ ግን ይጫጫሃሉ፣ ይሰዳደባሉ፣ እርስ በርሳቸውን ወደ ታች ያወርዳሉ። ያ ኢፌክት አለው ሰው የሚናገርሽ ነገር አይደል? ያ ነው አቢዩዝ ማለት ራይት እንደዚህ
Yes, and by the way, I feel like again, I feel like most Habeshas, they're not understanding me because trauma is so normalized in this culture. I feel like not all Habeshas obviously because we all have our own opinions, but I feel like most people are disagreeing with me because trauma is so normalized in Ethiopia, by the way. And I'm not afraid to tell people that. I'm not afraid to tell people my traumas. I don't care whether like 100% of people want to judge me. Oh, she's still your mother at the end of the day. Guys, like I'm not afraid to step up. I'm not. If my mom mentally made me feel some type of way, I'm gonna tell people. I don't care. I don't care. And that's. Of course, she gave birth to me, but stop normalizing trauma, guys. Stop. Like you guys also for parents, like you guys need to listen to your children sometimes because this is why so much Ethiopian children suffer mentally because we never feel like we can speak for ourselves. That's so crazy. But anyways, any gemash nechning salazi, I'm not afraid to, you know, I did not grow up with the culture, so that's why I feel so
Can I make a suggestion, Desi?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so basically right now there's a huge situation with you and your mom, right?
Yeah.
In my understanding, if I were you, if I were in your position, because I grew up here too in America, that I would first solve my problem with my mom before even having a relationship with Alex or even try to have...
She did not, that's the thing, she did not want to solve it. So what is there to, what do I do?
No problem.
Habiba.
We will help you to solve it alquat. She don't want to solve it.
That's why. Yes, Habiba would be a big player on this. She have to solve the problem with you and your mom situation. Otherwise, in the future, it will haunt you. Because me, like, I will tell you so you can understand. I was not born here, but I grew up in the U.S. And if not 100%, I passed through a situation where I was not with my family and everything. It has a big impact in the future for you.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
For that, I want you to avoid that. Actually, in order for you to avoid that problem that you will have in the future, it might be trusting people, it might be like stress, it might be depression. A lot of things can create on you. In order for you to avoid that, you have to have 100% peace with your mom. Then
Yes, that's what I want, but how do I do that when she comes on social media and tells all these people some agenda that, like, what am I supposed to do now? What I want her to make peace with everyone. Like, she's still posting things on social media. She came to social media first. I wanted to solve it in private. I wanted to, like, I'm not the type of person to put my family problems on social media. My mom came to social media first. That's what everybody doesn't
Now
understand.
they understand. Now they all understand that your mom should come to social media first. So no one gonna say to you again, you bring your mom to social media anymore because now they understand already. Okay? Don't
So
worry.
now, like, I want them to make peace, but that's up to my mom. Now it's up to my mom. If I still respect her, but now, like, it's either she makes peace or she just continues to make problems. It's her decision at the end of the day.
So, just quick question. So, you still have, I mean, the Ethiopian people also, I think they might have a question. Are you still in this situation, in this circumstance, how everything is right now as we see it? Because we care about you, we see you grow. We want to know, are you guys still in a relationship with Alex?
That is too personal.
Huh?
Again, this is like
Here not to talk about Alex. She's here to fix her mom problem with her mom and with Alex with her mom, not to talk about her relationship. Her relationship is personal. We don't want to
Okay, sorry. Okay, I didn't know. Okay, go ahead, Habiba.
አቡዬ ይቅርታ አሌክስ አንዴ ልግባና ይቅርታ ልበል። ከዛ ደግሞ እናቷ ከመጣች ደግሞ ተደፍቼ ይቅርታም እላለሁ። አሁን ግን የምናገረው ለህዝቡ አለኝ ያለሽ ነው።
Okay. እሺ ዲጄ ቴንክ ዩ
ፍላወር ላክ አሌክስ
ቴንክ ዩ
Okay, no problem, guys. Take care.
ቴንክ ዩ ሶ ማች
Alex, I see comments saying, Alex disrespected your mom. Like, the guys,
for that
Again.
we will apologize to your mom.
yeah, but also she should. Yeah, it's fine.
ፍላወር ላክ አሌክስ ከመጣ
እዚህ ያላችሁ ሁላችሁ ኮፕሊንግ አድርጉላት ለሀቡ። ፎሎ ያላረጋችሁት ደግሞ ፎሎ አድርጓት ሁላችሁ። ኮፕሊንግ እና ፎሎ ታፕታፕ
if you want to say anything you can say until he comes.
Yeah, like I don't know. People are just saying, "Oh, you have to respect your mom first." This.
No, they are supporting you. Amharic.
Yeah, but they don't understand.
You know how to read Amharic? They
No,
say,
no, no. English, no. It's English.
Daisy, they are standing with you, they are supporting you and your mom.
Yeah, yeah.
We love you both. We want you to be okay.
አሌክስ ፍላወር ላክ አሞራ ነው የሚለው። አዎ
Yeah, but anyways, I don't know. It's just I feel like it's just peace needs to be made.
ሶሪ ጋይ ስለ ድምፁ ወደ ቤት ገና እየሄድኩኝ ስለሆነ መንገድ ላይ ነኝ እና ሶሪ ኦኬ ጥያቄ ያለው ይስዋታ
ጥያቄ እኔ ምንም አይነት ጥያቄ የለኝም። ኮሜንታተሮች እናቷን ዲስሪስፔክት አድርጓል እያሉ ነው። ሶ ለዛ ደግሞ አንተ እናትየውን ይቅርታ ትጠይቃታለህ። ሌላ ግን አንተ መናገር የምትፈልገው ነገር ካለ ዴዚ መናገር የምትፈልገውን ነገር ጨርሳለች። ካልጨረሰች ስቲል መናገር ትችላለች። ዴዚ if you want to ask Alex anything or if you want to say anything you can say.
Okay. No, I feel like I don't know. I feel like people are kind of connecting Alex with the reason I left. So now I feel like mainly people, they think Alex disrespect my mom. So now Alex can explain to everyone what actually happened. So this is what he can say now. So Alex, you want to explain what happened to people?
ሀቡዬ እንዳንቺ ነው እንግሊሽ አያውቅም አስተርጉሚለት።
ለሰዎቹ ዲስሪስፔክት አደረጋሃል እናትየውን እየተባለ ነው። if you want to explain yourself ራስህን ማስረዳት ከፈለክ ለሰዎቹ የምትላቸው ነገር ካለ እያለችክ ነው።
ያ ሰምቻታለሁ። አንዴ ከድምፁ ትንሽ አሁን ወጣው ከድምፁ
ዜድ ናታ እንግሊዘኛ ብዙ አይደለም እንዳንቺ ነው ምናምን ያለች ዜዶ።
ያ እንግሊሽ ብዙ አይደለም ግን ላይ ትንሽ ያሰበ ይሻላል።
our English is